Alright guys, we got a few pieces of the puzzle. We still need to go pick up the fender, the AC condenser, and the radiator. I've mentioned before, I live in South Texas, but y'all have no idea, you guys who are further up in the United States, how close I am, how deep in South Texas I am. That's the freaking border wall right there to Mexico. How y'all can see that, man. That's the border wall. That's how close we live to Mexico. It's crazy. Just right across that border is Mexico. I'm not gonna lie, low-key, this is kind of like fun. Like, I don't know, it's just intense going around getting all the parts and stuff like that. We do have the radiator, the AC condenser, and the driver fender that we were missing, and that's pretty much all the big parts that we needed. So hopefully there's enough time, we're gonna be able to knock some stuff down, maybe get the radiator and the AC condenser on, and with that being on, the car should start up perfectly without any issues. I still have a few parts coming in, the headlights and the rotors and stuff like that. So after all that, all that's needed is to get the car painted, and it should be up on the road soon. All right guys, this time I didn't forget the keys, and we're gonna check it out if it actually turns on. There she is. Oh, not yet. Battery's still fried. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back for a brand new video. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is part 3, part 4. I think I already lost count. I need to check the videos. I already got all the parts in. We're currently gonna work on taking off the AC condenser and the radiator. So it shouldn't be that hard. A few bolts here and there. And then I think the hard part is actually pulling the radiator and the AC condenser out. Bolts are out. This was pretty easy. There's 2 bolts there. It's already loose. And then you have a few bolts here. And that should allow us some better access to getting behind back here. And we got to work on getting these babies out now. We went ahead and took off the cold air intake, just that way it'll give us more room to mess with back here. The reservoir is gone as well, so it gives us all this room to work with. Right now, Efrain's just trying to get all those tubes, the pipes disconnected. That way we can just start removing everything. This guy's making fun of me because I have Black & Decker as my tool set. So here showing off that all he uses is Snap-on and I don't know what. Hey, I gotta appreciate, my mom got me this for Christmas like 2 years ago, man. I use it proudly. Y'all use Black & Decker, or y'all use Snap-on like this guy? Or is there any specific brand that you guys are used to or like? So there's 2 bolts for the fan on top and then another 2 in the bottom. And that's gonna be able to remove the fan. Fan's good, so that's some good news. The fan doesn't need to be replaced.
It's broken from like plastic.
Okay, so for sure, I mean, we already knew that the radiator was broken, but yeah, it's broken somewhere on that side. And we saw the AC condenser is bent, so those 2 are out, but no problems. We already got the new ones inside the car, so we're gonna get those replaced. And I might have to go get some coolant to throw in there. And after that, that's pretty much mechanically, that's everything that's wrong with the car. Everything else would be just the exterior and the tie rods down there. Y'all can see how it's bent inwards right here. Yeah, from like right here, I guess where I made the impact, got pushed back, and you can see some of that coolant over there. But we did check again once more. We did check under the car. Everything looks good. No frame damage, no dents. I am gonna still take it, guys, once it's up and running, to one of those frame machines just to make sure that everything's good. But the way, I mean, we inspected it, it looks pretty good. No other issues so far. The AC condenser is off. Look at that.
This is where it broke.
Oh shoot, all right. All right guys, so this is the radiator, and that's where it was leaking. That's where it broke. Yeah, so that's where the coolant was coming from. Everything's out, guys. Look at that. The transmission one is fine. Was it the transmission? What did you say it's called?
Cooler.
Cooler. So we're not gonna need a new one of those. So now that both of these are out, we can start installing those 2, and should be good. Woo! Look at this, guys. Brand new radiator, brand new AC condenser. If only they can look this good all the time. Out with the old, baby. Out with the old. Ahí te zero, güey.
Pero no acabas, pero pues te lo presto.
Oh, hello. Alright guys, we got everything back on. The condenser, the radiator, everything fit perfectly. Are you gonna put that on or what?
Yeah.
Alright, we're just gonna put the reservoir back, and all we're gonna need is just the fan. But we're gonna go ahead and work on it, I'm guessing tomorrow, because we're running out of daylight here. I know we could do a lot better job if we were in a garage, so don't come at me if you know, for the workspace we have. It's getting the job done. He's good. He's getting a garage soon, in a couple of months. So you guys know we're gonna have a lot of projects coming soon. He's got his Project Fox.
Yeah, right.
It's coming along. He's getting it right now. What, all the body work done, all the rust spots, everything's getting taken care of. It's getting primed for paint. So his Fox body is coming along. The V6 is coming along. So just stay tuned, guys. I'll keep you guys updated as we go. I actually ordered headlights today, new rotors, brake, and a few other stuff, the small stuff, the little details that we're gonna need for the car. But next time around, I'm gonna put the fan. I'm gonna bring the coolant on. We're gonna go ahead and charge the battery. And it starts up, we're good to go. We're gonna start putting everything back on and see if it's drivable. Oh, my bad, we still need to put those, the tie rods on. But those are pretty easy, I think. I mean, I'm no mechanic. I'm just going along with what he says. He's the one who's been working on cars for a few years. He has the rhythm on what we're doing here. But if you guys are interested, guys, you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button, guys. Hit the notification bell. That way y'all can stay updated with the build and for future videos. But we'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless.